This 2018 Forest River Wildwood DLX 402 QBQ is a destination trailer RV. It is located in Newfield, New Jersey, 08344 and is offered for sale by Crossroads Trailer Sales, Inc. This used Forest River is 40 feet 8 inches in length and features 4 slideouts, sleeps 10, water heater, stovetop burner, microwave, smoke detector, leveling jacks, auxiliary battery, LP detector, refrigerator, DVD player, awning, and 40 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this destination trailer features bath and a half, bunkhouse, 2 entry, exit doors. The unloaded weight of this 2018 Forest River Wildwood DLX 402 QBQ is 10,644 pounds. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by Crossroads Trailer Sales, Inc., visit RVUSA.com.